Farm Animal Riddles, P1, Unit 5. A riddle, you, is a text where you must guess the answer. Here is an animal riddle. What am I? I have 4 strong legs and a short tail. I have a small body. I do not make big sounds. I live in homes as a pet, but you can also see me in the wild. I have brown and white fur. I can run and jump, but I cannot go up trees. I eat vegetables and grass. I have long ears to help me listen and run from foxes. I am a rabbit. This is a riddle. Riddle time. Riddle 1. What am I? Chicken, duck, donkey, cat, horse, cow, sheep, pig, goat. I have a thin neck. I can walk and swim. I eat fish. I have 2 legs. I have wings and feathers. I can fly. Quack is the sound I make. Riddle 2. What am I? I have 4 legs. My legs are not long and not short. I can run and jump. I have 2 long ears and a long tail. I work very hard on farms. I am strong and can carry heavy things. Hee-haw is the sound I make. Riddle 3. What am I? I have 4 legs and a long tail. I can climb and jump. I have small feet. I have sharp teeth and claws. I do not like water. I am a pet. I do not like dogs. Riddle 4. What am I? I eat so many foods. I can run, but I cannot jump. I have a lot of meat and fat. I have a big nose named a snout. I have 4 short fat legs and a short curly tail. I have pink skin. I have a fat body. Riddle 5. What am I? I eat grass. I have 4 legs. They are not long and not short. I can live in cold places. I can live on mountains. I have short hair. I can climb and run. I have horns and strong feet. Riddle 6. What am I? I eat grass all day. I have 4 legs and a short tail. I like the cold weather. Wolves like to eat me. Dogs help me. I have fluffy, long white and grey hair. Bah is the sound I make. Riddle 7. What am I? I eat grass. I have 4 long legs and a long tail. I have horns if I am a boy. People like to drink my milk. I can walk, but I am slow. I have black and white fur. Moo is the sound I make. Riddle 8. What am I? I have 2 legs and sharp claws. I have red skin on my head. I have wings and brown feathers. I am small, but I am noisy. Cock-a-doodle-doo is the sound I make. Riddle 9. What am I? I eat grass. I have 4 long, thin legs. I have a long tail with many hairs. I can run very fast and jump too. I have a long head. I can be white, black, or brown. People can ride me. Neigh is the sound I make. Riddle 10. What am I? I have 4 legs and a tail. I can run and jump. I have a long tongue. I am a pet, but I am not a cat. I like to eat meat, but I cannot eat chocolate. I am man's best friend. I like to bark. I am a dog. Answers. Riddle 1 is a duck. Riddle 2 is a donkey. Riddle 3 is a cat. Riddle 4 is a pig. Riddle 5 is a goat. Riddle 6 is a sheep. Riddle 7 is a cow. Riddle 8 is a chicken. And Riddle 9 is a horse. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and watch more of the videos on this channel. Bye bye.